Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we going to learn how to record the meeting in Zoom software. This can be done very easily with a PC or even Mac. First of all, enter the Zoom meeting using the application or browser. When the meeting has started, you will see the record button in the lower tab. Simply click it to start the recording. When you want to stop recording, go to the same button and click Stop Recording. You can also pause the recording and resume back in case you need. To save the recording of your meeting in your PC or Mac, just click the End Meeting button at the bottom right side of your screen. And that's it. Your recording will be automatically converted to video, and you can save it anywhere you like in your PC. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel to know more.